Today, let's talk about the installation steps and usage methods of functional accessories for this widely used suspended grinding machine, and take a look at how it performs in practice at the end. So first, we need to connect the trachea to the grinding handle. Then use the tool provided to rotate the card slot on the top of the handle to the fully open position. After rotating it until it is fully open, insert the polishing head into the handle, then rotate it again until it is securely closed, and check to make sure it doesn't wobble. There is a black switch on the device. I indicates clockwise rotation and 2 indicates counterclockwise rotation. Now you can control the rotation speed of the polishing handle by pressing the pedal. Next, let's see how this device performs in actual polishing work. After comparison, this device performs quite well in actual grinding work. The reason why this grinder is widely used is because it can replace different grinding heads to handle different tasks, of course, including cutting.